Luminar AI is an amazing tool for both beginners and professional photographers. If you are looking for creative templates with just one click, also having the benefits of Luminar 4, then Luminar AI is the one you should go for. Luminar AI allows you to quickly edit portrait photos using templates, and within Luminar AI, there is a section called Portrait. Within the Portrait section, you can edit portrait photos with more details. The Portrait section consists of Face AI, which help you adjusts face light, and slims face, enlarges eyes, removes red eyes, eye whitening, eyebrow improvement, lip reddening, lip saturation, lip darkening, teeth widening. Skin AI that smooths the skin on portraits and does it realistically. You can decide how much to apply from 0 to 100%. Body AI, let you edit the shape and abdomen. High key. So let's go right into the portrait mode with this photo. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is try to adjust the body, because I'm showing this to you. So it takes the body shape and either narrow it down. Or you can see a kind of broad answer in this case, or really narrows it down. Let's go to her face and start working on her face. I want to put the light on the face of a throw light on the face first off, so you can see how that's done. Are you going to slim her face just a bit? I'm gonna do Irish flare. And I'm going to enlarge her eyes, improve the eyebrows. Let's go to lip situation. So I'm going to really give her a little bit of lips, a little brightness now for those in there like that, the darkening and teeth widening. Look at her skin. If she has any skin defect, this automatically remove them. One blogger, Jean Nagata, even challenged to edit a portrait photo in 60 seconds in Luminar AI, and we can see that the results are quite good. So, if you are a Photoshop or Lightroom novice, but want to edit your portrait photos stunning and don't want to spend too much time to do it, then Luminar AI is a good choice for you.